Hello, welcome back to Lexus of Edmonton, located on the West End, just off 170th Street. We're going to dive in and have a look at this 2026 Lexus IS 350. This is the F-Sport design, and it comes in Ultra-White on Nuluxe Black with Dark Satin Trim. The IS is packed with safety features that include blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, motion sensor alarm system, front-to-front oncoming vehicle detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and more. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and you're going to get 311 horsepower. Up front, the bold Lexus spindle grille with LED headlights and automatic high beams. You're getting headlamp washers and 19-inch F-Sport alloy wheels, rain-sensing wipers, the F-Sport badge, auto-dimming driver mirrors, keyless entry into the vehicle, and the door panel has your power windows, mirrors, and door locks. On the left of the steering wheel, you get your brightness and trip settings, your trunk and hood release, and the front seats come heated with 8-way driver, 8-way passenger, adjustable with lumbar support. The tilt and telescopic heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, your gauge cluster above. The center of the vehicle, you have your infotainment center with all your radio, media, navigation, and Lexus interface where you can say, "Hey Lexus," and request any command. You have your rear view backup camera. Below, all of your manual controls for climate, along with charging ports, wireless phone charger, drive mode select, dual cup holders, heated seat and steering wheel options. The center console has additional storage, and above is your rear view mirror, interior touch lighting, and power controls for the tilt and slide sunroof. Your back passengers are going to have plenty of head and leg room with climate vents and charging ports, along with a fold-down armrest with retractable cup holders. The seats can be manually folded down, allowing for extra space. We're going to head to the back. You get wraparound LED taillights, and with the push of a button above the license plate, the trunk has plenty of space for daily essentials, groceries, or luggage. Hidden neatly under the floor is your spare tire and tools, and above is the handle to close the trunk. You're getting performance you can feel and luxury you can see. So visit us today at Lexus of Edmonton, and let's get you behind the wheel.